Do you want to see whom you blocked on Facebook? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. In this video, we will tell you how to see block list on Facebook. To do so, click to your Facebook profile photo. Then click on Security and Privacy. In Setting Privacy menu, in the right menu bar, scroll down to find Blocking. In this option, you will find Block Profile and Pages. Click Edit, then a window will open. Click on See Your Block List. After that, if you block someone, you will get their name written here. If you're getting trouble in finding these options, visit our guide. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.